Hello you lovely lot. Today I'm at J&M Performance to see James Whistler, already a very successful garage and repair business, but one that's added VIEZU tuning into the mix. So today we're going to find out what's that all about and what it's done for the bottom line. James, tell us a little bit about your business, J&M Performance. How did it start? What does it do?
Well, we started off nearly 3 years ago now. We do everything here, general maintenance, spring servicing, everything and anything you can think of.
You've added tuning into the mix, so what has that done for the business? Has that brought new clientele in? Has it allowed you to do more for the guys you've already got?
It's been a massive help, and since we've advertised it, the submission forms online, they've doubled basically since we've had that, and it's a good thing to offer the existing customers we've already got. So when they're here for just general service and whatever else, you offer them a cheeky tune on top of it. They're already here, it helps, you've got the equipment.
And what are you doing? So obviously I can see we've got a fast road car behind, we've got some very saucy motorsport stuff.
Yeah.
And I guess, are you tuning for economy as well? What's the mix of customers that are coming through the door?
Everything and anything. Economy, power, motorsport, off-road solutions that they use. So yeah, pretty much everything.
Tools-wise, what have you gone with? So obviously VIEZU is literally just down the road.
Yeah.
And how does that work in terms of the hardware, the software, and also the support you get? How are you feeling as a business owner that you're being looked after?
Well, with them being just down the road, they're a massive help. They've been a massive help anyway. With tuning, with equipment, with other tools that I've needed. We're running the KES 3. That's pretty diverse and does everything we need it to. But some ECUs are locked, as you may know.
Fantastic. And has there been anything yet as a customer come in with a challenge that you can't face?
No, not that we can't face. Whether we do face, well, it's a different story, but not that we can't face. And to be fair, every car's different and got a backstory. Tuning is not straightforward and simple all the time. It could have a slight problem in its history or whatever else. But when we come across them problems, I'll just get on the phone to VIEZU and we sort it out together. It's not an issue.
So the speed of turnaround, the speed of files, you get a lot of customers in the door. Talk me through the process and how long that might take.
The speed is very important when you're here. Obviously, we're doing 5 or 6 a day. Usually, straightforward tune is back within 15 minutes. But on the more complex tunes, it could take a bit longer because the team at VIEZU ask us particular questions on what to help. Rather than just send a file, they're asking us about our needs, what we're going to need to do to the car, is there any faults with the car, and they cover a wide range, so the more complex jobs can take up to an hour.
And obviously you're doing a lot of tuning here, but do you find it helps with cars when you're doing that initial diagnosis of just finding DTCs, if you're trying to see if there's previous tuning work done, is it a really helpful tool to help you to do that as well?
It is. Having the tuning tool here, obviously in files stuff can be deleted as well. So when we do get complex jobs in, it's always good just to get a read of the ECU, send it over to VIEZU and see if anything has been messed with before.
You already had a very successful servicing and repair business. You've obviously added tuning into the mix. It's allowed you to do a lot more, and I guess it's allowed you to kind of create a better earning opportunity from the customers you already had. Yeah. What's financially, you don't have to give me outright numbers, but financially, what's it done for the business?
Probably about 50–60% added. That's no word of a lie. It's a massive advantage to have when you're already set up. So you're offering an additional service and you're already here. So we've got the basis, we've got the grounds, and it's just another tool to have in the army to make more money.
So knowing what you know and billing what you've built, if there are any other businesses thinking of making the jump from service and repair to tuning as well, what would your advice be?
Absolutely go for it. You've got to be confident in what you're doing. It's a different world. As a mechanic, you would never touch an ECU really. That's just clutches, gearbox, whatever else. But when you start getting into ECUs, it's a bit scary. It's a bit new, but as long as you follow the instructions on the screen, it's pretty much straightforward. And then, if you are worried, just give the guys a ring in the tech team, and they'll talk you through it. What you need.
There you go. It's as easy as that.
Easy as that.
So as you can see, if you've got a workshop business and you're looking for ways to grow, this is a great way to do it. Additional revenue streams, new customers, and fantastic ways to make more from those that you've already got. So give the guys at VIEZU a call or drop them a DM.